Hey guys, we're at North County Indian Motorcycles, and today we're looking at a 2016 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1200 Custom. Really clean bike, it's really fun. All of the chrome detailing is really nice. Got passenger pegs with the passenger seat. We have an auxiliary plug for charging or for your gear, and those nice Harley grips. Key is right here off to the side. Miles are low. We are 7,595. Again, we're at North County Indian Motorcycles, located in San Marcos, California, and we are open 6 days a week for test rides.